How to automatically enter serial number in an Excel table. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent trick that will help you automatically enter serial number in an Excel table. It will be dynamic, and if you remove a cell or add a new entry, your serial number should automatically update it. Let's get started. To do that, first we need to convert this data range into a table. We can do that from insert and then click on table, or we can select a cell from our data range and press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl T to create a table. Now our table has headers, so I am going to keep this check mark. My table has headers, and if I click OK, our data range will be converted into a table. Now from the table design, you can change the table style. Let's say I'm going to select this style, and you can do it according to your need. So our data range has been converted into table. Now we need to add a formula here. We are going to use the rows function. I'm going to write the formula in cell A2 because this is where I want my serial number to start. So I'm going to select the cell A2, and then I'm going to write here equal to and then write rows, ROWS, and I'm going to double click here, and the first cell should be A2, where we want our first serial number to be placed. Now I need to change this reference to absolute reference, so I'm going to press here F4, and you can see we have added $ before A and before 2. It has become an absolute cell reference. If you want to understand the absolute versus relative cell reference, you can check out this tutorial here. Now once we have converted our cell reference to an absolute cell reference, I'm going to add a colon here. And now I'm going to select the second cell or any other cell in row 2, and then I'm going to use the keyboard to go to the cell A2. And once I have selected this cell, then you can see in the formula bar we have added another cell reference, which is a dynamic cell name. It has automatically added as we have converted our data range into table, so our dynamic cell name has been added. Now if I add close parentheses and press enter, our serial number is automatically placed. Now the rows function used to count how many rows we have between a certain range. So here in cell A2 we have our absolute reference. That means rows function will start counting cells from cell A2 no matter which cell we select, and it will count until the cell we have selected. Let's say I'm going to select here cell A16, and here if I check in the formula bar, the formula doesn't change. Our absolute cell reference is cell A2, so the first cell would be cell A2 and the serial number cell is dynamic. Okay, so it has selected the 16th cell, so it will calculate in a way that it will count all the cell between cell A2 to cell A16, and thus the serial number had become 15. Okay, I hope you understand, and if you want to learn details about rows function, you can check out this tutorial. Now you can see as we have created a table, all the cell inside this table is automatically updated from this formula. So now if let's say I'm going to write here a new entry just below our table, and I'm going to add today's date, and you can see our table has been automatically expanded, and so does our serial number. Let's write the full entry here. Let's say this is the same thing. And if I add another entry here, it will also automatically update. Okay, now let's say I want to remove this entry in between our table. I'm going to select the entire row, right click and delete the entire entry, and you can see our serial number is automatically updated. Now let's say I'm going to insert a new entry here. I'm going to click on insert, and you can see our serial number still automatically updates. Let's add data here. And you can see no matter how much I change the data range, it will automatically update each time I enter data or remove data from this table. And thus it has become our dynamic serial number using a single formula. So this is how you can automatically enter serial number in an Excel table. This is what I wanted to show you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.